Good morning, happy Monday, everyone. I wanted to quickly go over a trade that I took last night on the Euro Yen, and the reason that I wanted to go over this one in particular is because I've gotten a lot of questions around the Forex and technical analysis content that's going to be pushed soon, and what exactly, what type of trader does it cater to, and who can benefit the most from it? Well, this is just one of the points, one of the targets that I had with this course when I developed it was starting with higher time frame analysis and then whittling down to the smaller time frames, and starting with the higher time frames specifically for those that can't be in front of their charts all the time and need to trade at night, need to trade during the workday, and they're not really available to sit there and micromanage all of their trades all day. So this one was super simple. So you can see that we've got some good structure here on the 4-hour chart. We've got a nice little supply zone, and right off of those levels, you can see that prior to them testing there for the second time, I was ready. I had planned on shorting had we gotten up to any of these levels in here, any of these levels crossing, and part of the reason why I was looking to do so was something that we teach, which is how to use divergence. And you can see that price is making its way up and momentum is making its way down. So price is continuing to push up towards our targeted structure, and momentum is pulling itself down. Now, so it was later, it was Sunday night, probably around 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, and I was sitting there watching this setup take shape, and I knew that I wanted to get up above it. So I was looking for strikes up above it that would offer me, a decent length of hold. I didn't want to grab a weekly just yet because it was Sunday night, so I didn't want to grab a weekly. But what I did want to grab was something that gave me ample time to be right overnight, where price just didn't want to go. So the first thing that I ended up grabbing was a Euro Yen for 123 even at 11 a.m. this morning. And you can see I took it off when the contracts were dead, right around 490. But all I did was just get up above the structure that I've identified, given myself an edge. We're right at the 78.6. We're right at structure crossing, two trend lines here. And so I've given myself the edge. There's no reason for me to sit here and think that that won't be true or technically false by 11 a.m. So 123 stay under 123 by 11 a.m., not a problem. And if you look at the 4-hour chart, it just dove right off of our levels, right off the structure that we identified for the reasons that we've identified. It just dove. And I could sit here and analyze this trade all day, and I could get into the nitty-gritty of why it fell, but that's what the course is going to show you, that type of analysis where you can sit there and be confident overnight, longer term, so that while you're at work, you don't have to sit there and micromanage it. Now, I also traded for movement on this one too. I grabbed it on spot Forex. I sold a standard lot at 122.780. And this morning when I woke up, I was plus 50 pips on a standard lot. That's $500. So for me, I literally did no work. I just sat there watching it, and I just sat there anticipating price reaching our structure that we've identified, and took some longer time frame, no need to manage trades, got above it, and got right at the top here, and just let it do its thing. So for me, this was literally zero effort after I plotted it out. Just sit, wait for it to come to you, get above it, and let it do its thing. And again, that's exactly the first step in the course. So the first step will teach you how to do this type of analysis, get above it on a longer term time frame, and just ride it out. Now I think there are 18 modules on it, so it goes down even further to intraday and using advanced fibs and things like that. But this is just the basic of the basic that we cover for those traders that need this. And it'll be eye-opening and allow you to really take charge of your trading in a way that you didn't really think possible with having a full-time job or something like that. So if you have any questions, comments, let me know. I did this because I did this video in particular because I've gotten a ton of requests around, does it cover long term? I can't be in front of my charts all the time. Yes, it does, and this is just proof that it works. The content that I've used for years and years and years, it works. So I will post this shortly, and have a good trading day, everyone.